What is going on, everybody? We are just gonna go out for a ride. We're gonna go ride around a little bit, and on the way home we are gonna stop by the store. It is August 21st, 2025. It's 2:29 in the afternoon, and it is 81 degrees, and it says showers. Let's hope it doesn't rain. I hope I didn't wait too long to go riding. No, we're not. Hadn't been doing too much today. I got up this morning, ate me some breakfast. I sat on the couch a little bit. Boy, I tell you, that new cat, she's something else. She's full of energy. Bookie's still not quite too sure of her. Still hisses at her a little bit. And, I'll paw at her. But when she paws at her, she doesn't do it real hard. She does it kind of gentle. So we were laying on the couch, and Bookie was laying there in between my legs, kind of by my feet. And Ava come and snuck down and got between me and Bookie. Bookie hissed at her a little bit, but once Ava laid down, Bookie just laid there. And then Bookie started wagging her tail, and Ava started trying to get it, and I was just sitting there saying, "Oh, please stop that! Stop doing that! She's gonna turn around and pop you." But she didn't. So well, Chana is getting over pink eye. She had pink eye, so we went to the doctor when she first got it. She had it for about a day or two, and we went to the doctor, and they gave her some eye drops. And I think the eye drops helped. And but her eye's looking good now. Well, I tell you, I've been watching this show, this series on Netflix. There's 7 seasons. It's called The 100. It's pretty good. I tell you, the first 5 seasons were good. Season 6, I mean, I liked it. It was a little, so far, season 6 and season 7, I've watched all of 6. I think I'm on the 4th episode of season 7. And it's a little different than the first 2. It's kind of a little far out there. I'm not going to say anything about it in case somebody wants to watch it. But yeah, I like it. I've enjoyed it, and I tell you what, it's when you watch it, it's kind of scary thinking about it. I'm not gonna say what's scary about it, because I think that might kind of give away some of the stuff in the show. But you'll know when you see it, or what's going on today, what they're doing today. It just kind of makes you think there for a little bit. But no, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, we were playing putt-putt. I've seen all the John Wick movies except for the last one. And I was talking about it, and one of the guys in there, he's already seen it. And I said, yeah. I said, well, you know, John Wick, it's on the Roku channel for free. Of course, you got to watch the commercial. You know, it's got commercials and stuff for the Roku channel. And we got to talking about it again. And then he just up and asked me, well, what do you think about, and told me the end of it. And I said, I haven't seen it yet. So I know what's going to happen at the end. So I'll probably still watch it though. Still haven't got my live Hulu back. I'll probably do that. I don't know when. Probably sometime. Maybe end of this month, beginning of next month. Get it when football season starts. I don't know, I think college might start Saturday. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I know they got a lot of good games on the first weekend. Some pretty good matchups. But no, I mean, we got rid of the live TV, and really, we haven't even missed it this summer. I mean, there's so much to watch on Netflix and just the regular Hulu without the live TV. I mean, not all of them are good shows, but there's quite a few good shows on there. I started a few series and watched them and got in and just kind of got bored with them. Well, now we're on the Moon Cool CG2 cargo bike today. Nice little bike. Last ride we went on the electric. Oh, I can start to feel it sprinkling. We might ride down here and kind of maybe turn around. Yeah, I feel it sprinkling. Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. I guess we might need to go on and turn around now. I don't know if you can see that out there. Yeah, it's coming down now. Oh man, what do you do? What do you do? I think I might get under this tree here and wait a minute. All right, everybody, we waited for about 10 minutes. We've been sitting under the tree. It's just kind of sprinkling right now. So I looked up on Google to see if it was okay to ride the bike in light rain. I wasn't quite sure, and it said it is. So we're going to go ahead and take off, and we're going to run by the store real quick and then hurry up and get to the house. First time I've been caught, well, I got caught one time on my electric, but I keep a Ziploc bag with me, and on that bike I don't have anywhere to keep it here, and I'll put it over the display. But no, we're gonna head on, see if we can't make it back to the house. I tell you what, it really doesn't help much riding in the rain when you wear glasses. Getting water drops all over my glasses. My cameras will be fine. I'm not worried about them. I'm kind of anxious to see the video, to see if you can see it's just like a little sprinkle right now. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna have to take my glasses off. There we go. Yeah, that's... I was hoping when I put my glasses in my shirt I didn't knock my microphone off, but my microphone's still on there. That reminds me, I gotta charge my Rode microphone. But boy, I tell you what, it's not hot. So that's a good thing. See if we can't hurry up and get to the house. Looking good over. There we go. I didn't want to sit there too long. We'll go to this store. Haven't really gone to this store much. I usually go to the other one, but oh well, it'll be all right. Oh, they got a roof. Alright, they didn't have what I needed, so we're gonna head to the other store. You would know when I need to go by that store, trying to hurry up and get home, they wouldn't have what I needed. Oh well. This right here is when I wish I would be on my electric. I'd be going about 6 miles an hour faster than what I can on this bike. Man, I wish you could put that code in here like you can on the electric and unlock it. I tried to do it one time and just messed everything up. I had to contact Rip 1 and ask him what the settings were so I could get the numbers back right, because I messed everything up. I think I hit some other kind of button too. All right, so it's not really raining right now, so I think we'll be good. Come on, let's go, bike, let's go. Oh, we played one of our tournament rounds in our 4-man scramble last night. We are currently in 3rd place. We shot 16 under. We all did pretty good. Second place is 18 under and first place is 20 under. So we got a little work to do. But you can play as many rounds as you want during the week. So all right, so we got what we needed. Now let's head back to the house. I guess we can go this way. Traffic's gonna be a little hefty. School's letting out right now. It's 2:54. So oh, I'll tell you, the Insta360 has a new camera out. I know y'all have heard me talk about that Insta360 Go, that Go 3, that little white camera I put on the front sometimes. Well, they came out with a 3S, which it basically shoots in 4K. They've got another. They just had another one come out, the Go Ultra, and I don't know. I'm sure it's a good camera, but it's not really as compact as the Go 3 and Go 3S. It's kind of like it's like a square, so it seems a little bigger. So, but I mean, you know, if it works, I guess. But you know, it's depending on what you want. The Go 3 and 3S and the ones before that, they seem to be a little more discreet than this Ultra. I don't know if that's the design they're going for now or what it is. I think now I don't know all the differences, but I think one of the differences is the 3S will shoot 4K 30 frames a second, but the Go Ultra, it'll shoot 4K 60 frames a second. So I don't think the Go 3S will do the 60 frames per second. So I don't know, I'm happy with my Go 3. It only goes up to 2.7K, but that's fine with me. I'm not trying to produce any movies or anything. Well, I guess my daughter, she'll be getting out of school here pretty soon. I think she's kind of enjoying her student teaching. And she comes home every day. Oh, you wouldn't believe what the kids did today. She says the big thing is they don't listen. Kindergarten. She says you tell them to do something and they just don't listen. Y'all come on around. I can't believe it's not raining right now. When I was stopped under that tree, I got my phone out and looked at the radar, and we weren't out of the green until like 4 or 5 o'clock. But it's not raining, so oh well. I'm not complaining about it. I feel all sticky now. And watch this road here. We'll have a big old long line of cars. People picking up their children from the elementary school. Let's just hope when I go around them, we don't have any cars coming at us. That's the big thing. Look at that line of cars. And it goes down the other way too. That's why we try not to go anywhere when school's letting out. Or try to schedule it well when we're coming home, school's not letting out. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.